Hakaway ka jinja accident ka balajia haka step arpaway trik nailar hajan Thadlaskein mukla West Giant Hills. Kaway ka kali kala Sha'ban haka trok julor pom kat ba tylli ki waypat kila lait salid. Ka kubor kaya thu baka ding jinja kala jia haka por kumba kat way shiteng step hajan kapung Thadlaskein. Kani ka trok day ka badan ya registration number UP nyo Hnriuti iway kendai Hnriunon kabakit klingka kabawan nakathan East Giant Hills habapoy hakati ka jaka kala bat kalaban ya kali Maruti Eeco kabadan ya number ML not saw not nyo lai way arngot kishikmi shikhon kibayat hasurok kila Shah Syllad haka ni katrok bat marmar la penkit siya ka jaka sumar nakadaw ka jing mynsaw jor. Naluar kata o driver ka Maruti Eeco udang sakut hapo kakali. Naluar kani ka Maruti Eeco kaway kakali kamay turis kabade ka Maruti Alto ML not South Sea san ark dai kala Sha'ban na kabenta ba syakmat kakali katba kakali private kabadan yaw number ML not Saudi lai saw Hnriu kala julor malumala.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Boleh klik karang tiara.
Ya, senai dek ikon deh apa?
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shriya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.